don't know how to tie my shoes.
I can help you out.
I'll be showing you the fastest and easiest way of tying a shoe, otherwise known as the ninja knot. What you're gonna do is take the left lace and put it over the right lace. Then tuck the left lace and put it under the right lace. This is called the starting knot. Next, what we're gonna do is this hold. Take 3 fingers of each hand and put it under the laces. Take your right lace and from the 2 free fingers, tuck it under the lace pointing away from you. Make sure it's away from you. And do the same thing with your left hand, but make sure it's pointing towards you. Remember, right away, left towards. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pinch the lace on the right, and the same thing for the left one. And then what you're gonna do is just pull. There you go.
Okay, I will try now.